April is a wonderful time in Zone 7. The last frost has usually passed. The sun is warm but not too hot. This makes it the perfect time to start a vegetable garden. You can get a head start on the growing season. Imagine fresh vegetables from your garden all summer long. That dream can start in April. Many vegetables thrive when planted in April. You can grow a variety of delicious crops. These crops will be ready to harvest in the summer months. Imagine serving salads with fresh, homegrown lettuce and tomatoes. Starting a garden in April is a rewarding experience. It connects you with nature and provides fresh food. With a little planning and effort, you can have a thriving garden. Get ready to enjoy the bounty of your harvest. Zone 7's mild April weather allows for a wide variety of vegetables. Some vegetables can be directly sown into the soil. These include hardy vegetables like radishes and carrots. These vegetables can handle cooler soil temperatures. Other vegetables prefer to be started indoors first. Tomatoes, peppers and cucumbers fall into this category. Starting these seeds indoors protects them. They can grow strong before being transplanted outside. When choosing your vegetables, consider your preferences. What do you and your family enjoy eating? Also, think about the space you have. Some vegetables need more space to grow than others. A successful garden starts with proper soil preparation. Begin by clearing the area of weeds and debris. Weeds compete with your vegetables for nutrients. Removing them ensures your plants thrive. Next, loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller. This improves drainage and allows roots to grow easily. Once the soil is loose, add compost or aged manure. These amendments enrich the soil with nutrients. They also improve soil structure. After adding amendments, mix them into the top few inches of soil. Now your garden bed is ready for planting. Once your vegetables are planted, they need regular care. This includes watering, fertilizing, and pest control. Water deeply and consistently, especially during dry periods. Aim to water the soil, not the leaves, to prevent diseases. Fertilize your plants every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. This provides them with the nutrients they need to grow strong. Be on the lookout for pests and diseases. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of trouble. Enjoy the process of watching your garden grow. Soon you'll be harvesting fresh, flavorful vegetables. Homegrown vegetables are incredibly rewarding.